Okay, good morning. This is the voice of Edimas. So this morning I'll be taking you through how to upload on how to use the correct hashtag. Yeah, how to do your hashtag research for your uploading, and this is applicable for any platform. Any platform. I'm going to show you the video so you'll be able to see what I mean by any platform. Now, let me go to my Instagram. Okay, let's assume I decided to post a video, or let's say I'm just using this as an example. I'm not saying I'm posting anything. So I decided to post this credit alert. Then now I want to write caption. Okay, this is the title of my video. Let's say recent, or let's say most, okay, how to make millions in a minute. I believe this is not possible, so I'm just saying this. Okay, this is the title of my video. If you have any other thing you want to put there, maybe I'm going to do a video on how to write the correct content for this. You have, okay, this is the best way to make millions online easily. Okay, then under it you need to have what we call hashtag, because most platforms work with hashtag, especially if you are working on Instagram, you are working on TikTok, you are working on YouTube. You need that hashtag. Now you can't just sit down and start thinking of hashtag, okay, millions, hashtag millionaire, then you start thinking of what's the next hashtag, and you have a lot of hashtag you can use. So there are platforms that allow you to, that gives you the best hashtag you can use. So you just pick from them and you paste it. So sometimes I always advise people to have maybe a personal journal or a notepad where you put the write-up you want to post on your IG or on each of your posts. You just copy it from there with the hashtag and you paste it. So how do we get this hashtag? Just go to Chrome and search for what? Keyword2.io. Keyword2.io. Then you search for it. Now this is keyword2.io. This is how the interface looks like. I said it works for any platform. So the first thing is you click on all. This all here, depending on if you want to just make a general keyword search or keyword research on any platform or on every platform, you leave it as all. But let's say you are specified, okay, I'm posting on Instagram, I just need keyword research on Instagram. Then you click this drop down here, sorry, you click on this Google. This is what I mean, this Google. You click on it, then you see if it is for YouTube, you click on YouTube. You discover that it's loading. Now this is for YouTube. Then but we are looking for what? Let me talk about that of what? Instagram. Then let me click on Instagram. Now what is the major key points of your write-up, or what your video is all about, or what your graphics is all about, or what your content is all about? Now let's say I'm talking about real estate. I can just say real estate. Now I will leave this as worldwide, but if you want to specify your country, you can say Nigeria. I'm from Nigeria, so if you are watching from Nigeria, I'm from Nigeria also. Then you do what? You search. Look at hashtag people. So you can see these are the most used hashtag on IG for real estate, you see total hashtag is 355. You don't really need this, though this you can later use it, but that is for advanced uh, content marketer. You don't really need all this, because for you to have access to all this total post, total search, you need to pay for a pro, which will cost you money, and we are not here to pay. So you can see this is the most used: real estate developer, real estate development, real estate Dubai, real estate developers. You can see these are the hashtag. And mind you, you don't even need to have the whole 355, because Instagram will not allow you to have the whole 365. So what you just do is what? You click this down button here. Can you see that down button? You click on it, you see that copy. There's a copy sign there. That copy one, the last icon, that's what you are going to click. So once you click on it, you see that, you see it gives you what? Option. Then you do what? You copy it. You click on this copy here. Copy. You can see 355 copy. So for now, I'm going to just, let me open my notepad. That's why I said you can just have a notepad for something like this. So if you want to post any other thing that has to do with beauty, maybe you have any other business, you can just have a notepad for, let's say this is real estate hashtag for what? Hashtag for Instagram. Then you what? You paste it. So anytime you want to post anything that has to do with real estate, you just copy any of the part of this, because you can't paste everything. You just copy it. I think maximum for Instagram is maybe 30 or 50, I don't know. For now, maybe 30. You just copy it, and what? You put it under your posts. That is how you use hashtag for Instagram posting.